Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram Messenger not working. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application, and then you need to go into the settings and go into the app management and click on app list and search your Instagram. Okay, and click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and the second step is to you need to click on clear storage. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search your Messenger, and if there is an update in Messenger, you need to update Messenger as well. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the Instagram. So now it is updating, and in few seconds I am able to log in my Instagram. Then you need to click on open, and now you can see that it is open. Click on messenger icon in the top right and click on any conversation and send a message, and here you can see that it is working. So by following these steps you can easily fix Instagram's Messenger not working problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.